Welcome to the best picks. The best portable treadmill foldable is probably one of the most convenient fitness solutions for modern living. These treadmills are designed for those who want to stay active but are short on space or time. They offer a practical way to incorporate exercise into your daily routine, allowing you to walk or run at home, regardless of the weather or your schedule. This video will help you find the perfect portable treadmill. Number 5. SereneLife Smart Folding Treadmill. This compact treadmill is perfect for those with limited space. It features a slim design and is easily portable, making it ideal for apartments or home gyms. The LCD display shows your run time, distance, speed, calories burned, and heart rate. It also provides running data statistics, helping you monitor your progress. Connect to the FitShow app via Bluetooth to track your workouts. You can record and review your training data, challenge friends, and share your fitness achievements. Adjust the incline manually to customize your workout. It also includes a safety key for emergency power off, ensuring your safety during exercise. It has a built-in book or magazine tray and a cup holder for added convenience. This machine is designed for walking, jogging, and running, making it a versatile addition to your home gym. This treadmill features a hydraulic folding style for easy setup and storage. When folded, it takes up minimal space, making it easy to store when not in use. What we like? This treadmill seamlessly connects with the FitShow app via Bluetooth, allowing you to track and share your fitness journey. Its compact design makes it perfect for small spaces, and the manual incline adjustment adds versatility to your workouts. If you're looking for a space-saving treadmill with app integration and incline options, this is the one for you. What people say. This treadmill operates at a sweet 1 horsepower while delivering higher speeds than a majority of the digital underdesk treadmills I was looking at, in truth, because many of those underdesks were touting up to 4 miles per hour, but users were reporting poor performance at those, walking, speed only. The SereneLife foldable treadmill offers an ideal balance of convenience, performance, and versatility for anyone looking to bring a quality workout into their home without sacrificing space. With 12 preset training modes, the SereneLife treadmill offers plenty of variety to keep your workouts fresh and challenging. For those who prefer more control, the manual mode allows you to customize every aspect of your routine. Whether you're aiming for a light walk or a more intense run, this treadmill adapts to your fitness goals. Number 4. Walking Pad Treadmill for Home and Office. This under-desk walking pad is perfect for walking, jogging, and running. You can easily adjust the speed to fit your needs. It's a great way to stay active while you work. The speed ranges from 0 to 3.8 miles per hour. This allows you to customize your workout. It's easy to keep exercising while working in the office. The running belt has 5 layers and silicone column support. This design absorbs impact, protecting your knees, muscles, and ankles. It provides a comfortable exercise experience. It features a 2.5 HP motor and supports up to 265 pounds. The motor operates quietly, with noise levels below 45 dB. You can exercise without disturbing others. The LED display shows time, calories, steps, speed, and distance. A remote control lets you adjust the speed easily. It helps you monitor your progress. It comes with a 1-year warranty and 24-hour customer service. Please feel free to contact us with any questions. We are here to help you. What we like? This walking pad is designed for both walking and running, making it a versatile choice for home and office use. It features a powerful yet quiet motor, ensuring you can exercise without disturbing others. With the included remote control, it's easy to adjust the speed on the fly. If you are looking for a convenient and quiet treadmill for your home or office, it is a great choice. What people say. Has a time, distance, speed, and calories information on the display. It's compact, quiet, and super easy to slide under the desk when not in use. The speed settings are easy to adjust, and it feels very sturdy underfoot. Number 3. UREVO Walking Pad Treadmill. This treadmill features 12 pre-programmed HIIT settings, the most effective way to reduce fat. The adjustable LCD platform tracks your speed, time, distance, and calories burned. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. It folds in one step and is easy to store, even under your bed or sofa. This compact design weighs only 22.5 kilograms, making it smaller and more convenient. It is designed to improve space utilization. The 2.5 HP motor provides speeds from 0.6 to 6.2 miles per hour. It operates quietly and supports up to 220 pounds. The 5-layer non-slip running belt is durable and quiet. The 16-inch wide anti-slip belt provides a safer and more comfortable experience. It's not just for you, your family and pets can also enjoy it. This treadmill is for everyone. The LCD screen is easily adjustable for clear viewing. The phone holder keeps you entertained and connected. You'll also receive 100% satisfying customer service, with inquiries answered within 24 hours. What we like. This treadmill offers 12 preset HIIT programs for effective fat burning. It's designed to fold easily for space-saving storage, and the wider running area provides a safer and more comfortable experience. If you like high-intensity interval training and need a compact, user-friendly treadmill, this is a great option. What people say. The folding design is perfect for small spaces. It's easy to fold and unfold, and I can tuck it away when not in use, which is great for my apartment. The 2.25 HP motor is surprisingly quiet, even when running at higher speeds. It's powerful enough for walking, jogging, and even light running, making it versatile for various fitness levels. The built-in HIIT programs are excellent for interval training. They add variety to my workouts, and I feel more challenged than with a regular treadmill. Number 2. 2-in-1 folding treadmill with Bluetooth speakers. This treadmill is ready to use right out of the box, no assembly required. It's designed for convenience, so you can start your workout immediately. It's perfect for those who want a hassle-free fitness solution. The treadmill features a strong motor that allows for walking, jogging, and running. It operates quietly, so you won't disturb others while you exercise. The speed ranges from 0.5 to 4 miles per hour. It has a shock absorption system to protect your joints. The running belt is designed to reduce noise and provide a safe cushioning experience. This feature makes it suitable for both home and office use. The LED display tracks your speed, distance, time, and calories burned. You can also listen to music or watch TV while exercising, thanks to the built-in phone bracket. The remote controller allows for easy speed adjustments. This treadmill is foldable and has transport wheels for easy storage. It can be folded up and moved with ease, making it ideal for small spaces. It supports a maximum weight of up to 265 pounds. If you have any issues with the product, customer service is available to assist you. They are ready to help with any questions or concerns you may have. Contact them through Amazon. What we like. This treadmill arrives fully assembled, saving you time and effort. It features Bluetooth audio speakers, allowing you to enjoy music while you exercise. Its foldable design and transportation wheels make it easy to store. If you are looking for a treadmill that is ready to use out of the box and easy to store, this is a great choice. What people say. It's relatively small but still big enough for walking for a 5 feet 11 inches 200-pound guy and is reasonably quiet as well. It was well packaged and extremely easy to set up. Most cheaper walking pads I researched have a 1 horsepower motor, but this one has a 2.5 horsepower motor, and it's pretty easy to tell that when you see how fast this thing can ramp up its speed, which is excellent. Number 1. UREVO Foldi 2 Portable Folding Treadmill. This UREVO treadmill features a 3.0 peak HP motor, offering speeds from 0.6 to 7.6 miles per hour. It supports up to 265 pounds and has an anti-slip belt for safe and comfortable workouts. The treadmill has a 16.5 by 43.3 inch multi-layer tread belt, providing ample space. This design helps reduce impact on your knees, making your exercise more comfortable. Compared to the previous version, this model includes pulse detection, an adjustable display, a phone holder, and a pause function. These updates enhance the user experience. With 12 preset programs, it offers variety for your workouts. The adjustable LCD screen helps you easily track your speed, time, distance, and calories burned. The easy folding mechanism allows the treadmill to be folded for compact storage. Its folded size is only 52.7 x 28.7 x 5.5 inches, perfect for small spaces. What we like. This treadmill boasts a powerful motor and a wider tread belt for a comfortable running experience. It also includes an adjustable display and pause function for added convenience. If you like a treadmill with a wider running surface and adjustable features, you should consider this one. What people say. The walking tread portion is a good size but not the most generous. No mechanical issues whatsoever. The 3.0 HP motor provides a smooth experience for both walking and running, and the wider rubber belt gives a comfortable running surface. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.